Now it's time for a wild animal weekend.
Hey, Derek and Kate here. It's another Wild Animal Weekend at Wild Animal Safari. Katie, our animal expert, is here with us today, and we are in front of the cage for Athena, the White Bengal Tiger. Tell me a little bit about Athena here.
All right, so Athena is, like you said, a White Bengal Tiger. A lot of people think that the white tigers that you see are Siberian because they are from the north, but actually all the white ones you see are going to be Bengals.
Okay.
So they're this more southern species. Now she's about 350 pounds at this point and about 3 years old.
And you can see her here in the walkabout. She actually kind of shares some space with your liger you have here, right?
She does. They have actually access to 2 enclosures. You can see Nika coming over right now. They also have their big pool that Athena really likes to play in. So.
Gotcha. And they get along pretty well, it seems.
Oh yeah, they are best buddies. Both females, and they love each other.
Now, you're not probably going to see a White Bengal Tiger out in the wild, right? Tell me why.
No, I think the last one, from my research, the last one they saw was in 1951 or 1953, and they hunted them to extinction just because they were a trophy, because they were so special, so rare, and they can still occur technically because it is a recessive gene, but it is extremely rare.
Gotcha. So again, you want to see something extremely rare, come check out Athena, the White Bengal Tiger, here at Wild Animal Safari, and we hope to see you on the very next Wild Animal Weekend.